What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Cameron, and we are back with another video. We're gonna start off this kind of vlog unboxing with opening some stuff that I got in the mail. Y'all wondering why I got my shades on when we actually just had a blizzard. I'm gonna show you some clips in a bit of all the work that we did, but we had a blizzard here in Boston, Massachusetts, and it ain't it. I ain't feeling it. Def gotta move. It's in the works because your girl can't be doing this snow. It ain't it. It ain't given, and we got our shades on because right now in my head we're in a tropical beach somewhere warm, 90 degrees, and it ain't it here. So just, you know, the shades is just, you know, part of my bringing it into existence, you know. So without further ado, let's get into this haul. Well, it's not a haul, like I said, unboxing. So to start off first, I got, I think maybe 3 or 4 things from Blushmark recently, because it was kind of like you get 3 things and then you get 50% off on the items. So I ended up getting a few small things. So let's kind of see what we got, because I don't remember. This first one, oh, I think it's a 2-piece set. Yes, it is. It's the hoodie and the pants. Oh, and it's a butterfly. All right. Let's get to business. This is my issue with Blushmark and why I'm always iffy about ordering from Blushmark. There are some things in Blushmark that are worth it. Definitely some under 5 items. I just did a really big haul with Blushmark for like summer vacation kind of vibes that I liked a lot of pieces from. But I always really question the pieces that are cotton, that look like they're cotton, you know, in the pictures, because they usually never match what the picture looks like. The description, you know, doesn't match. Sometimes they give you a picture, the picture's completely different than what the model's wearing, and in the reviews a lot, you know, they tell you too, it ain't it. So I looked at this one, and from the pictures other people posted, it looked like it was still cotton, you know, from the reviews. So it is pretty thick material. The sweater looks like it's thick. It has the little wool in the inside, but I'm just not feeling the print. The print is just very cheap. This I probably have to wash and just air dry, because it's just, you know, one of those, the sticker will, the heat's too high, it will start to peel off. So it's, I don't even know what it says. Yeah, it just has letters and some butterflies, but it looked really nice, and it does, you know, I'd probably wear it, but not, yeah, you have to be very careful. Like, you can hear it, like, it's just that kind of cheap made. I'm gonna put in how much I paid for it. Again, this was the 3 items for 50% off, so I didn't pay the full price of it. The pants are really nice, really thick. Again, though, can't, it says official with butterflies on the side. It is nice, so I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. You're gonna see how it looks, but definitely can't wear, you gotta more than once without just air drying it, because that will definitely shrink and that lettering will just yeah, so okay, so yeah, so these are the 3 items that I got for 50% off. The reason why I ended up buying that other suit, it wasn't one of my favorites, but I really wanted these shoes, and I said let's add that 3rd item to get them all for 50% off. Now I own a lot of Crocs, have my yellow ones over there that I'll show, but I saw these and I really liked them, especially for the winter. Oh, okay, so I thought it came all together. So I'm gonna have to go back and look at the picture to see if I can replicate, or at least it gives me the freedom. So these are the clogs that it brings. The fur in the inside, which I absolutely love, and then it brings the charms here for you to put on. So these are like really thick and they're bejazzled out. So this is a butterfly, this is the bow. They're super cute. Let me see. So it's probably gonna take me a minute with these nails. But just as like a, and I really love it. It's so cute. And the one that really obviously caught my attention was because of this big one right here, that has the extra, and it's really, really big. So I'm definitely feeling it. Let me see, guys. So I'm gonna, you know, play around with it. Obviously, I just gotta see what else is around. And then I have all these other little pearls. Okay, so bam. They're so bejazzled, and I was like, I need them. So I got a second pair as well. I'm obviously gonna play around with them. I'm gonna go look at the picture and see how it looks like, see if I can match it up. But I really liked how it looked, so I was like, I need those. And then I saw these and I was like, I absolutely need these, because these like match my outfit right now. These are so cute. And then what I can do after is, now that these, you know, these will probably wear out in the winter, then I can just buy my Crocs and just replace the charms, because the charms is really what made it. And I haven't seen these charms around that you can buy separately, so I had to get them like this. So this one has the owl, which is so dope. I love it. So a little dolphin. Oops. Little chains like part. The letter O. Oops. The sun. A little like flower. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. I'm just trying to see. L, a heart, and a star. Okay, sorry, I'm back. I was just trying to figure out how to make them look like the pictures, but the pictures kind of just, so I did my own thing. And I kind of interchanged both of them. So these orange ones brought 3 of these, so I just put one on the black one. And I just thought they were super cute. And then the black ones, bling bling bling, so cute. So I'll try them on and I'll insert the pictures too, but I love them. So that is Blush Mark. I'll put this over here. I think this is a separate haul that I'm gonna do for you guys because yes, this is Pat Pat. So I did Mommy and Me Pat Pat haul. I got, I think 17 or 18 pieces for under $50 or $70, which was bomb. They had like a huge blowout sale where like a lot of things were like $2, $3. So I got a lot of Mommy and Me outfits. So I'm not sure if both of these are it or if it was just that one. No, so there's, okay, so these, both of these bags are the Pat Pat. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna save these two for the next haul. And then, you guys know, Fashion Nova. Stay coming with the Fashion Nova. Oh, and this is Fashion Nova Mommy and Me as well. So the next two videos are gonna be some Fashion Nova Mommy and Me pieces. Nova kits. Just want to see what this one. I think these are the slides that I got her. Let me show you guys so you guys get a little sneak peek of the fits we're gonna do together. So cute. Little black fur slides. So stay tuned for that one. Mommy and Me, Fashion Nova, and Pat Pat haul. And that's it for now with the pieces that we got. I'm gonna go outside right now and shovel. I'll bring you guys along just to look at it a little bit. We shoveled yesterday, so it kind of is already done. We just need to do the cleanup, show you a little bit of what the blizzard looks like. I still don't know what the totals are. We're supposed to get 18 to 24 inches. I know Boston got a lot. I'm in the Lynn area, which is north of Boston. We did get a lot of snow. I just don't know the totals yet. But it's not given. I want to go home. I want to be here. But with anything in life, you can't complain. You got to make the moves and make it happen. So, I'm telling you guys, I'll be living in Florida soon. So, I think I'm gonna bring you guys along for a few days, just do some vlogging, and then put this video. I haven't done some vlogging in a while. Just do some vlogging and then probably like a week, and then put this video out and then do the Mommy and Me haul. So definitely stay tuned for that because that's coming. So I'll come back and check in a bit. Bye. Blizzard in New England. There is snow everywhere. really cold. Florida, where are you? My car still has to be shoveled out.
Mommy.
Huh? Careful.
Huh?
Move away from
No,
there.
come up here. Come up here. I'll snowball fight. Mommy, come up here. Mommy.
Wait a minute.
Now come up here. Come up. Help me. Ah, you got me.
Cheers.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold.
That's where you
Oh,
feel
so
left,
like
right?
fuck you my dildo, right? And you loved it. You fucking nutted
That's
everywhere.
why you said you wouldn't fucking say that shit, right? You said
You
you
was
never
not
fucking.
Damn, they started off hard. Lose your best friend, lose a member of your family. Fuck, damn. Yo, I would immediately say lose your best friend, but mine's are A1 solid ones. This one sucks. I would have to say the lose. Sorry, guys. But that was hard because, yo, everyone in my side is have no teeth, have no hair. I mean, you can wear wigs, so that's what that is. Not have an afterlife, live your afterlife in hell. I guess not have an afterlife. What the fuck's the point of that? Have free movies for life, have free lunches for life. Obviously we want to eat, we fatties. Have your team win without contributing, have your team lose after you played your best.
What is this? Daddy house?
I guess, I don't know. Never see again, never walk again.
Mom was getting my new shoes, and now I'm gonna put it on right now. And I'm gonna show you how it fits on me.
Wrong foot.
It's a video.
Whoa, those are cool.
Yeah, I know.
What? What you say?
I'm gonna do your makeup first and then your nails. So here's my makeup. I made a wound, but it's okay. I can do your makeup like that. Open your eyes yet. Very close. Now other side. And now time to flip it over. And now time to do your thing right here. So you do like this. Do it. Not your lips yet. Not done yet with your lips. You don't close your eyes. You just close your mouth. Wait, done. Now done.
Whoa, what look is this?
that's your makeup. I did. Leave your makeup. Wow, you look so pretty. Now time for your nails. Nailsies.
Alright guys, so that is all for that video. I'm currently getting ready to do the haul with Miss Nani for Mommy and Me Fits from Pat Pat, so stay tuned for that video. But I just wanted to close it out because we had another snowstorm with ice, so really haven't been able to do anything, so figured can't really continue a vlog when there's nothing much to do. So hope you enjoyed that little quick video, and stay tuned for the other hauls that are coming. And hopefully traveling picks up again, so stay tuned. Until next time, stay happy and blessed. Bye.